Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make condensed soup. This versatile ingredient is a fantastic way to add rich flavor and creamy texture to countless dishes. Making it at home allows you to control the ingredients, avoiding unwanted additives and tailoring it perfectly to your taste preferences. It's surprisingly simple to prepare and can be a real game changer for your cooking, offering a convenient base for quick meals. To begin, you will need just a few key ingredients. A classic condensed soup starts with a roux, which is a mixture of fat, typically butter, and flour. This creates the essential thickening agent. You will also need a flavorful liquid, such as chicken or vegetable broth, or even milk for a creamier base. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried herbs to elevate the taste. Let's walk through the simple preparation. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth paste, cooking for about 1 minute. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of your chosen liquid, stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. Once your delicious condensed soup is ready, proper storage is key. You can keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze individual portions for up to 3 months. When you are ready to use it, remember to dilute it with an equal amount of water or milk. It's perfect as a base for creamy casseroles, rich sauces, or even a quick, comforting bowl of soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.